Hey guys, what is up? RubiksLife here. Welcome back to another video. Sorry we're upside down here, but the way I have to film this just makes it really awkward, so we're going to be upside down. Anyways, I'm doing the final conclusion to this giveaway that's been super long lasting, and I'm really sorry about that. But what I'm giving away here is 2 Waylong GTS V2s, and I've got one still in the wrapper. It's completely brand new, never touched by me or anybody else except for the manufacturers, but I've got one that's been opened and I've used, and you've seen on camera, and it was in the 6000 live stream, and it's been broken in pretty well, and I've messed around with it to make sure it's very nice and set up the way I like it, so hopefully you will like it as well if you win. And the way my giveaway worked is I had you guys do points, like a setup of points, and what I've done is I went through all those people and listed out all the people who have a lot of points, and I went to my Twitter for the final poll, and I found all of the people following me on Twitter and put them into a random generator, and I've picked out 2 people. And the first winner that is going to get the brand new cube that's never been touched is Carter /434. Congratulations to you, and you're going to get the brand new GTS V2. And then the final one that has been signed by me, it has an RL on it and a note up here, and it's been broken in and stuff, so it's tensioned and perfectly adjusted to how I like it. The final winner is Wayne Smith on Twitter. So yeah, congratulations to the both of you. Thank you for everyone else who has entered my giveaway and has subscribed to all my different things and has supported my Master East Gaming channel. I really do appreciate it. And that thing's already up to like 85 subscribers already, which is great. If you haven't already, check the link in the description to check that out, where I post really funny Fortnite content and other gaming stuff, just not Rubik's Cube stuff. So if you want to check that out, go ahead. But yeah, thank you guys so much. So the way I'm going to be giving these away, I'm going to DM you both on Twitter, so just check your Twitter in the next few days, and we'll just have a conversation, and I'll just get your information and get these going so wherever you guys are. So congratulations to the both of you, and thank you to all of you guys that have been so supportive to me recently. I really appreciate it. We gained like 100 subscribers in about a week, which is awesome. So that's amazing support, and I really love you guys so much. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. Be ready for future videos coming out, hopefully weekly instead of like every 2 months, which is not good. But yeah, hopefully every week we should have a new video up of something. I'm so sorry I just kicked you guys. That's okay. Well, yeah, okay.